Good morning, children. Today, for the sake of our Andhra Pradesh 10th class students, I would like to do a social studies 10th class geography explanation. This explanation may help to write coming instant examinations. Say, I would like to explain an important topic with the help of the textbook, and I will explain point wise. I think this may help you to write in your coming instant examinations. Suppose if they asked how many physiographic divisions are there in India, what are they? That is the question. How many physiographic divisions are there in India? What are they? That is the first question. See, it may be asked as a 2 marks question. For this, you have to write there are 6 major relief divisions in India. They are Himalayas. These are the Himalayas, Himalayan mountain ranges. Second one, see here in this map, Indo-Gangetic Plain. This is the second physiographic division. Third one, this color, yellow color, no? Peninsular Plateau. Next, fourth one, the most important one, the coastal plains. These two are the coastal plains. I would like to show you the coastal plains also. Wait a minute. See, eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain. Coastal plains. Next, we come across the most important one, the desert. This is the desert, Great Indian Desert. Otherwise, it is called as Thar Desert. Last and final, islands. See here, Andaman Islands, Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. These are Lakshadweep Islands. See, suppose if a question is asked, how many physiographic divisions are there in India? What are they means? You have to write 6. For writing 6, they will give 1 mark. Later, you have to write one by one. First one, Himalayas. Second one, Indo-Gangetic Plain. Third one, Peninsular Plateau. Fourth one, coastal plains. Fifth one, desert. Sixth one, islands. This is an important 2 marks question. Next, I would like to go to explain one of the important topic, that is first topic, that is Himalayas. Actually, once our country was called as an island. Why our country was called? Yes, we have to discuss a small discussion here. What is an island? Island means the land surrounded 4 sides water is called as an island. But here, I said Indian Peninsula. Peninsula means the land surrounded 3 sides water. Here, Bay of Bengal, that is eastern side Bay of Bengal, western side Arabian Sea, south Indian Ocean. So because 3 sides water there, but here in the northern side land mass. So 3 sides water, 1 side land mass means we have to call it as a peninsula. This may be asked as a 1 mark question. And just now I said island. India once was called as an island because there was a story that towards the northern side of our country there was a weak sea called Tethys Sea. The Tethys Sea was sunk in the ground, and because of the compressional forces, the Himalayan mountain ranges formed. So simply to say, the Himalayan mountain ranges are smallest younger mountain system. As well as in our country only, here Aravali mountain ranges. They are the oldest folded mountain system also. We will discuss about the Aravalis in the appropriate time. But here, now I would like to discuss with you regarding Himalayas. These are the youngest folded mountain system in the world. But from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh state, almost all 2,400 kilometers length. Width is different from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh state. Here it is 500 kilometers, here it is 200 kilometers width. So broadly, these Himalayan mountain ranges divided into three parallel ranges. See, look here, Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. For the sake of our convenience, we divided the Himalayas into three major divisions. At this time, I would like to explain regarding these three mountain systems. First of all, Himadri. For each and every range, we have to prepare at least 4 to 5 points. Very important, either 8 marks question or individually they may ask 2 marks questions also. First, Himadri. Himadri, first point I would like to say, also known as Greater Himalayas. See, this is Himadri, also known as Greater Himalayas. Second point, the average height of this range is 6,100 meters. 6,100 meters. And here, third point, almost all the world's highest mountain peaks are present in this range only. For example, look here, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, etc. Third point, throughout the year, these mountain ranges may covers with glaciers and glaciations. Last point I would like to say, under these glaciers, there are rocks like granites, gneiss, schist, etc. See, once again, I would like to repeat the same. Himadri. Himadri, also known as Greater Himalayas. The average height of this range is 6,100 meters. Third point, almost all world's highest mountain peaks are present like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, etc. Is it visible? Yeah. Under the almost all throughout the year, these mountain ranges covers with glaciers only. Under these glaciers, last point, there are rocks like granites, gneiss, etc. So next I would like to go to the second one, Himachal. First point, Himachal also known as Lesser Himalayas. And actually these ranges lies towards the south side of Himadri range. Almost all these ranges are mostly rugged relief. These ranges mostly composed of highly compressed rocks. See, the average height of this range 3,700 to 4,500 meters. The next point in it, the important ranges in it, Mahabharat and Pirapanjal are the important ranges. This one Mahabharat. Here there is an important valley called as Kashmir Valley. It will comes here. There are valleys like Kangra and Kulu also. Here in this Himachal, there are important hill stations. All the hill stations will come here, like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Chakrata, Ranikhet, etc. See, we know these hill stations are very important. Particularly the rich people during the summers will go and they will escape from the hot summers. And this Himachal range almost all lies in that is a very important coniferous forest area. Particularly this area is very famous for fruit farming, apple, as you know, Shimla apple. So in this way, Himachal, we have to write Himachal, also known as Lesser Himalayas. This range lies towards the south side of Himadri range. The average height of this range is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Yes, actually, this is the most rugged relief ranges. There is an important valley here called as Kashmir Valley, Kangra and Kulu valleys also. Another important thing, Mahabharata are the important, Mahabharata, Perapunjal are the important ranges in it. See, this is Mahabharata. Mahabharata and Perapunjal are the important ranges. There are hill stations in it. Even hill stations, separate question, 2 marks question may be asked. What are the important hill stations in Himachal or otherwise Himalayas like that they asked means you have to write Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Chakrata, Ranikhet, etc. These are very important for map pointing also. Next, another important one, this area is covered with coniferous forest area and very famous for fruit farming. Especially, just now I said, that is apple is famous in Shimla, we know very well. Next, the third one, we are going to know about the third one, Himadri completed, Himachal completed, Shivaliks. Here, Shivaliks, also known as Outer Himalayas. As we may write the second point, this range lies towards the south side of Himachal range. Next point, the width of this range is just 10 to 50 kilometers at the foot of the Himalayas. See, this is the foot of the Himalayas. At the foot of the Himalayan range, the width of this range is 10 to 50 kilometers. The average height is 900 to 1100 meters. Actually, these ranges are called different names in different areas. For example, in Jammu region, these are called as Jammu Hills. In Arunachal Pradesh, here they are called as Mishmi Hills. In Assam region, they are called as Kachar. And in different regions, these are called as different names. There are dune valleys here. We know Dehradun, Uttarakhand capital. Dehradun, Kotli Dune, Patti Dune are the important dune valleys that present here. The most another important one I would like to say, Shivaliks, also known as Outer Himalayas. This was also asked as a public bit once. So in this way, how many parallel ranges are there in Himalayas? What are they? Explain like that. They may ask 8 marks question. In this way, we have to write. I think this video may help you to write these questions. If you like these videos, I may continue and do the videos that need to the children instantly to write the instant exams. Thank you, one and all.